My name is Porus. I am the son of the sacred soil. The warrior born from the heart of my motherland. The rivers taught me courage, the mountains taught me strength, and the people taught me love. Wherever I stand with honor. Whatever I speak with truth. My life is dedicated to my land.